pH scale part 3. Here we'll discuss few more conditions. Equal volumes of two acids with different pH on mixing. That means, for example, pH is 1 and pH 3 are there, both of 10 ml if you are adding. Then what will be the final pH? Final pH is equals to lower pH plus log 2. This is for equal volumes of two acids. Remember this one, two acids I am saying. When acids we are discussing lower pH plus log 2. 2 are here, so 2. I'll show you one example. pH is equals to 1, 10 ml. pH is equals to 3, 10 ml. When these two are mixed, final pH is equals to lower pH is 1 plus log 2. Log 2 is 0.3010. That is nothing but 1.3. Lower pH plus log 2. See, if you want to know this for bases, same case, final pH is equals to higher pH minus log 2. For example, we have a question, 100 ml, pH is equals to 12, solution is there. 100 ml, pH is equals to 10, solution is there. When these two are mixed, here higher pH is 12 minus log 2. That is 12 minus 0.3, 11.7 approximately. For acids, lower pH plus log 2. For bases, higher pH minus log 2. One more interesting line is, for example, you have pH is equals to 1, pH is equals to 2, pH is equals to 3. This is 20 ml. It is again 20 ml. It is one more 20 ml if we are having. Now 3 we are mixing. The final pH is equals to lower pH plus log 3. Why log 3? Because 3 we are taking here. 1, 2, 3. 3 different solutions we are taking of different pH values of equal volumes. Then log 3. pH is equals to lower pH plus log 3 in this case. But the most of the questions will be either acids or bases with two equal volumes. Two different pH, two equal volumes. One more point is, sometimes they will be giving you an acid and a base. An acid and a base. Then it will be very interesting to calculate. For example, 10 ml 0.1 HCl mixed with 20 ml 0.05 NaOH. If it is given like this, what will be the pH? What you need to check is just to see N1V1 or NaVa value. NaVa means that is for acid. NBVB means that is for base. If NaVa is equals to NBVB, pH is equals to 7. That is neutral. Let's check in this case what actually happens. 10 ml into 0.1. So 0, this one I am cancelling. So this is equals to 1. NaVa, normality and volume. NaVa is 1. 20 into 0.05. This will become 0.5, 2.5. 2 into 0.5 is again 1. So both NaVa and NBVB are equal to 1. So here in this case the pH is going to be 7. So when an acid and base are mixed, what you need to check is NaVa value and NBVB value. See one more example. For example, you are having 50 ml 0.5 NHCl. Similarly, 10 ml 0.2 N sodium hydroxide. Check here, 50 into 0.5. 50 into 0.5 is 0.0 cancel, 25 milliequivalents of acid. Milliequivalents acid. and here 10 ml into 0.2, if you cancel this one, this is 2 only 2 milli equivalents of base. So this is an acid dominating one, that means pH will be definitely below 7. But if you want to calculate the exact pH, you need to find out the normality. Normality purpose, we have the simple formula. Normality, final normality is equal to, which is strong here, base is just having 2 ml 2 milli equivalents of base, and acid is having 25 milli equivalents. For final normality is equals to 25 minus 2 divided by total volume. This is 50 ml, this is 10 ml, their volume is going to be 60 ml. Final normality is equal to NaVA minus NBVB by VA plus VB. Here NaVA or NBVB, which one to be taken first means which is in higher quantity. See one more example. HCl is there with 0.1 normality, 10 ml. NaOH is there with 0.2 normality, 20 ml. NaVA values, if you calculate, NaVA is 0.1 into 10 is nothing but 1. NBVB is 20 into 0.0 is nothing but 4. So your sodium hydroxide is higher in quantity, so pH will be more than 7. And if you are calculating OH minus concentration, normality is equal to NBVB minus NaVA by total volume. For example, in this case, 4 minus 1 by total volume is 30. Thank you.